everyone, today we're going to show you how to remove the pulley for replacement or cleaning purposes on the new 2021 styled Landmaster UTVs. This will also cover how to remove the CV shaft from the transaxle. The wider track vehicles do not require you to drop the trailing arm to access the pulley cover. However, the thinner track UTVs such as the L4 and the L5 will require you to drop the trailing arm to access the pulley covers. This is what we'll be showing you today. For this service, it's best done with the UTV up in the air on some sort of a lift. Once your UTV is up on a lift, we're going to start with a 3/4 inch extension socket with your impact driver to remove all the lug nuts on the wheel. After you've removed the lug nuts, pull the wheel off and set the hardware and the wheel aside. Next, we're going to use a 17mm swivel socket and a 17mm wrench to remove the shocks. After you've removed the nut, remove the bolt holding the shock in place. Then drop the shock down slowly. Next, use a 3/4 inch socket and a 3/4 inch wrench to remove the A-arm bolts. Hold your hand below to catch the spacers while removing the bolt. Again, set aside all hardware in a safe location. Next, pull the swing arm level with the CV shaft and pull hard to remove the CV shaft from the transaxle. If you have trouble removing the CV shaft, try using a brake spoon to wedge in between the CV shaft and the transaxle and apply pressure to remove. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove the bolts holding the driver pulley cover in place. Then, use a 7/32 socket to remove the bolt holding the pulley in place. The next step is to remove the driven pulley cover by using a 10mm socket and a 5/16 socket to remove the single self-threaded screw. After the driven pulley cover is removed, now you can rotate and pull the belt to remove it. And now you can officially remove the driver pulley to replace it or clean it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to call us at 800-643-7332 to speak with one of our technical service members. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your Landmaster UTV.